Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and deep dives into the best products on the market. Today, we're showcasing the best Joy bras for women, the Joy Bra Scoopneck Seamless Bra. If you're looking for comfort, support, and a wireless design that fits like a dream, this might just be the perfect addition to your wardrobe. Let's talk about the design. The Joy Bra Scoopneck Seamless Bra is an ultra-comfortable, pull-on bra made with a blend of 88% nylon and 12% spandex. This material is soft to the touch and stretchy enough to fit a wide variety of body types. The seamless design means no irritating seams digging into your skin, and its scoop neck style offers a smooth, flattering fit under your clothes. Whether you're wearing it for a workout or just a casual day out, you won't even notice it's there. Now, let's discuss the fit. One of the standout features of this bra is its customizable fit. It comes in one size, designed to accommodate a range of body types, from 28A to 48D, DD. And with removable pads, you can adjust the bra to your exact comfort level, giving you the flexibility to find your perfect fit. Whether you prefer more support or a relaxed feel, this bra gives you the option to personalize it just for you. The bra's straps are another highlight. They're extra wide and fixed, which means they won't dig into your skin. This feature makes it especially comfortable for all-day wear, ensuring you stay comfortable from morning until night. Plus, its wireless design provides full coverage, so you can expect solid support without any discomfort. When it comes to durability, the nylon and spandex fabric is built to last. You can count on this bra to retain its shape after multiple washes, so you don't have to worry about it losing its stretch or comfort over time. It's machine washable, making it easy to care for, and it's made right here in the USA, adding that extra sense of reliability and quality. The Joy Bra Scoopneck Seamless Bra isn't just about comfort, it's also about versatility. It works as an everyday bra, a sports bra for low-impact activities, or even as a cozy lounging piece. It's the kind of bra that will quickly become a staple in your collection because it combines practicality and style with ease. So if you're tired of uncomfortable bras and looking for something that feels like a second skin, the Joy Bra Scoopneck Seamless Bra is the way to go. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of the best products out there.